There's something truly magical about the frothy crown atop your favorite coffee drinks, and the Nespresso Aeroccino XL Milk Frother takes this experience to new heights. Imagine sipping on a velvety macchiato, enjoying a quiet moment on your sofa, or preparing a round of cappuccinos for your guests. This sleek frother opens up a world of possibilities with its one-touch operation, providing hot foam, cold foam, or warm milk at your fingertips. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications, and here's why you need it. Unleash your inner barista. With the Nespresso Aeroccino XL, you're not just making coffee, you're crafting an experience. Indulge in the luxury of 3 styles of milk froth: hot milk foam, cold milk foam, and hot milk. Elevate your coffee game by experimenting with a variety of milk coffee recipes, from the classic latte to the refreshing Freddo cappuccino. This frother is your ticket to becoming the barista of your dreams. Perfectly sized for every occasion, whether you're treating yourself to a solo coffee moment or entertaining guests, the Aeroccino XL is up to the task. With a maximum capacity of 7.6 fluid ounces for milk foam and 13.5 fluid ounces for hot milk, you can effortlessly prepare multiple servings in a single preparation. No more waiting. Enjoy your coffee just the way you like it, when you like it. Effortless cleaning and maintenance. The convenience doesn't end with the perfect froth. The Aeroccino XL is dishwasher resistant, ensuring easy cleanup. Just toss it in the dishwasher and you're done. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning up after your coffee adventures. Sleek design for every kitchen, Nespresso understands that aesthetics matter. The Aeroccino XL's sleek black design not only complements any Nespresso machine but also adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen counter. It's a statement piece that blends seamlessly with your coffee setup. Smart and energy efficient, the Aeroccino XL is not just powerful, it's smart too. Featuring an energy-saving mode, the device automatically turns off after preparation. It's a thoughtful touch that adds to the efficiency of this remarkable milk frother. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.